Right, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your man Louis Perez, and we're gonna go over some analysis here on US30. As you guys have seen, we are selling off very heavy here. If we focus on how many points US30 has dropped since the sell-off, we could easily see that US30 has dropped almost 3,000 points here, so if you would have caught that move from the top, you would have had the opportunity to make about 3,000 points off that move. Either way, let's proceed here. Today's, for me, is pretty obvious. I am leaning super bearish on US30 for the open. It's continued to sell off during pre-market, so I'm looking to catch a short, if I'm allowed, from about this level right here. But the way that this is dropping, like, it's literally dropping like a knife right now. Like, there's literally no reactions at all and nothing whatsoever, like it's literally just selling off completely. But either way, I am literally just looking for sales. There's just nothing else to look for right now. I'll be looking for sales from this level or from this level right here. It's just depending like what happens by pretty much 9:30, but the way this is going is obviously, it's just a sell-off right now that's occurring. I really haven't seen this ever, but we are definitely, in my opinion, we are definitely in a recession. I feel like we've been in one for maybe about a year and a half or two, because the yield curve did invert sometime last year, and whenever that happens, that's an indicator that there's a recession in the market. I just feel like the market is just starting to react to that now. But either way, as traders, we make money when it's going up or going down, so I pretty much don't care if this even goes down to zero, because I'll just sell it off to zero. Doesn't really matter to me personally. I'm just reacting to the market here. So yeah, so I'm looking for sales at this particular zone right here, or at this zone right here. At this zone right here to about this level right here. This has been dropping a little bit aggressively right now, so I pretty much just gotta sit still and kind of sit on my hands until the 9:30 open, because that is one of my rules. I literally only open the trade at 9:30 for my scalp account. Now on my intraday swing, I did swing this for about $1,500 earlier this morning, and that went well. I'll be posting that up on my Discord after this stream. But for all traders out there, I don't know who's long. I mean, at some point this has to retrace a bit, However, the higher probability trade is it's obviously just going short here. So let's just continue to wait on that, right? Yeah, guys. All right. So for today's scenario, we do have two folders that are pretty much going to open up, right? One of them is going to go ahead and open up at around 9:45, right? So if you're looking at this red vertical line here, that's a folder, that's a news driver, right? These gray boxes are kind of zones that price is reacting to, as you're seeing prices here right now, right? So that's a zone that I marked out. I'm looking right now, we're about 30 minutes away from the open at 9:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna look for a short right around here. I'll say, let me see, 9:30, let me go ahead and mark that out. I'll be looking for a short around this particular zone here, 9:30, right here, and I would like to get out before the 9:45 folder. I do only go for about 42 points. My stop loss is typically a 40-point stop, and there's a reason behind that which I could go over, because we're literally just playing the probability, right? That's all we're doing. So every month on this particular account, I'm gonna take out trades. That's all that I'm really looking for. I give it one opportunity per day. All right. Just kind of put down here, and we could actually do that right there. Okay. Even though I feel like this is like a little deep, right? If price does come back here, I will definitely give sales an opportunity here for sure. But it needs to be like 9:28, 9:30 or so for me to even consider that. If price comes above here, then I might just give buys an opportunity. Let me just add an alert there. All right, so as we're seeing like prices between these two levels right here, and then we have a news driver at 9:45 and at 10. But price does have to retrace. Price typically reaches about 50%. If I'm look at the daily opened up with an inefficiency. Right, so if you see this right here, notice how the body of the candle isn't overlapping the previous candle, right? And all you're seeing is wicks in between. That's an inefficiency. So price always comes up at least to that zone and fills that up at some point. I'm not saying that it's gonna happen at 9:30, but price does go up to that zone and fill that up again, right? It appears as price is trying to stabilize. However, I'm still bearish. That's a fact. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of wait this out for about 9:30. Reason why we trade the open is because that's where like a pop of volume is injected into the marketplace. So just hold on tight. Nothing for much here. Just hold on tight. I'm trying to see if I have any apps that don't need to be open right now, because it's killing my RAM. Go ahead and close this out too. Trading view is okay. Everything else is good. Okay. I'm just talking about YouTube is not receiving what? What is YouTube not receiving now? Alright, so if we focus on these news drivers, right? We have at 9:45, we have an orange folder for the final service PMI, and at 10 a.m. we have the ISM service PMI. You know, whenever you're trading, the economic calendar dictates how you're going to trade that week. You know, so yeah, price right now does seem like it wants to retrace, and that's fine. You know, if price wants to retrace, that's totally fine. I'm not opposed to price doing that. You just kind of got to sit still, because right now the market is heavily volatile. You know, like if you do the actual math, right? Let's say that you're trading 2 contracts, right? And you're going for 42 points per open, right? That's gonna give you about 420 bucks, right? And you're only trading 16 times per month, right? You have the potential to make $6,720. That's not a bad living, you know? And let's say that you lose 5 trades, right? You're still up 4.6K. So that's actually pretty decent. Yeah, so price is a very fine. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. I mean, it did zero. Like, it's actually go to 0, so it's gonna drop, form a lower low. Continue to drop, form a lower low again. Continue to drop, lower lows, lower highs, and just continue to slowly drop. But we are obviously bearish, so let's see where price is at by 925, 920. Above this level, we could definitely take a buy above here as well. Let me go ahead and look at the 15-minute real quick here. Yeah, so above this level, we could easily just take a buy here too. It's not that bad to take a buy here. So we're gonna come here now. So we got that over there, and then we got this over here, right? So we need to go ahead and add an alert there. Well, yeah. Yeah, so right now price is rejecting on this zone right here, which I like to see that, you know, because if price was to come up here during the open, then that gives an opportunity there, you know, for that quick long that we're gonna take on the retrace here. I mean, there's open to come here and there, right? I mean, open comes out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check here. So I feel like my stream is going slower than normal, man. Very odd. Everything is really close to me. Let me quit this too. Just to free up some space with the RAM. The price is heavily rejecting the zone. Basically, seeing that it will continue to be on number for but so it's going to limit to where all trust. That's all we do. I don't want this kind of stuff. It's kind of difficult to write, but you can first move on. I really don't know. Alright. If you are watching my digest, man, that there's always a 5-second delay, right? So I'm going to set up for you guys so that you guys could basically just understand what zone I'm looking at. And basically just take it from there, you know. So I'm looking at a short in this particular zone right here. We're gonna take that around 9:30, and then I'm looking at a long up here. Okay, we still have 15 minutes to the open. So I stop over here. This is just like that. If I stop here, alright. Let me just run some quick numbers here real quick. Two. 38, 929, 42. So that'll put me at that'll put me at you know what, 39,920. 39,920. And 39,962. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, so we basically have our scenario here, man. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and trigger sales below this level right here. Most likely. Alright, so we take the string here. We pretty much I'm along here about this zone here. The market might open out 7. take this sell here, and I'm looking to go ahead and take a buy above that zone right there. It's pretty much that simple for me right now. So I just don't want to get in pre-market, man. I really don't want to get in pre-market. This definitely will have a tendency of getting me into a sell stop here, right? Sell stop here. I just don't want this to get triggered before, so I'm gonna remove it because I just don't want it to get triggered. I'm gonna wait till about 9:28 to go ahead and place my limit and sell orders. But these are the two levels that I'm literally looking at. I'm looking at that level, and I'm looking at this level right here for about 42 point scalp. So let's see what the market gives us. I'm looking for an entry at about 9. I'm looking for an entry at about 925 on a long, 925 on a long, and I'm looking for an entry at about 38,527 on the short. No, what happened? What's wrong, man? Alright, so what I'm looking for, let me go ahead and put a buy stop in this scenario here. Go ahead and put a sell stop below here. Gonna give it one opportunity today, guys. And 38,479. These are both scenarios that I'm pretty much playing out right now. So we have both Scenario is pretty much playing out here. It's looking like sells is in play, guys. Let's see what we got going on. I'm trying to understand why it's looking bigger than what it actually is. Very interesting. Once the trade is activated, of course. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Whoa. Let's go back down to this right now. What the heck? All right, now we talking. Guys. So stop loss will be going here. Interesting day. Very, very slow volume at the open. Let's see how this goes. There is a folder opening at 9:45. Keep that in mind, gents. and ladies, if you're watching my stream. Stay focused. We're only playing the probability. That's all we're really doing here. We're gonna go in a little earlier, guys. Let's see if we get a little push here. Once I'm in the trade, I'll put my stop around here. Just stay steady, just wait for my entry.
This is really just playing games with people's emotions right now. Just waiting for an entry. I'm gonna just wait for my entry here. Just gonna be frank with you guys. A lot of wicks, a lot of shit going on. Okay. Just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Patience always wins in the marketplace. Patience always wins in the marketplace, guys. Remember that. Patience is always gonna win in the marketplace. Okay. 38, 864. 38, 822. I still have not taken him. Folder opened up here. And we have another one that's gonna open up at 10 a.m. Okay, guys, and my trade is activated. Stop loss is in place. Volume is not looking good. Let's hope that it continues pushing upwards. If not, then I'll be stopped off for the day. Okay, it's reaching, guys. It's reaching, it's reaching, it's reaching, guys. It's reaching. It's reaching, guys. Let it play out. And we TP'd, guys. Good day. Good day, guys. Good day. TP hit. Let me go back and remove these trades here. We had a successful trading day, guys. Our TP hit. We made $8,400 today. That's why you have to be patient in the market, and you have to trust your own personal levels when it comes to this, you know. I hope that you all have a good day. I am done for the day trading. You could see that my P&L here is 405. That's 405 times, and if we do the math on that, I ended up the day in profit $1,100 across 20 Apex accounts. We have 15 trades left this month. I'm only giving one opportunity per day because that's all that I pretty much need. All right. Let me see if anybody has joined my chat. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys. I don't know who's watching, but hey, TP was hit. We did make our profit for the day, pretty much. You know, you need to be calm, steady, and professional, and always just stick to your trading plan. So if we look at this entry that I took here, right, I placed my stop loss right at the above of that wick right there, because I knew that it was going to go ahead and it was going to sweep liquidity there, right? So it passed that now, and I was able to have a successful trade. This doesn't happen overnight, but if you ever have like any questions or concerns, you could always reach out to me on YouTube.